What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cycle Fanatix. Got a pretty cool video for you guys today. I'm gonna be out on the Streetbob. We did a lot of upgrades to it since the previous video. I gotta make this really short because I got some landscapers starting up. Anyway, we're gonna go by Mr. Holy Shift Sandy, go look at his new Lowrider ST, and we're gonna do a nice short little ride and get some footage for you guys so you guys could see how the bikes look on the highway rolling. And then we'll go over a couple other things that we plan on doing with the Streetbob, as well as what Sandy has in store for upgrades on his beautiful brand new Lowrider ST. Stay tuned. What's up? I got Mr. Say hello, Mr. Holy Shift.
Hello, Mr. Holy Shift.
In the building.
In the building.
As Camilo would say, where is Camilo? Where is that?
Haven't
Where is Barber CVO 19? Moved down to Georgia now. We don't see him anymore. Anyway, got the beautiful Lowrider ST. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Listen, I wanted to tell you guys something before we go on this ride. Sandy has, tell us about it. Tell us about it. What year?
Yeah, 2015.
2015.
Iron 883.
Okay.
Okay. I'm second owner. They've done a beautiful little cruiser out of it. They put forward pegs on it with all brass, fuel tank,
Right.
cap.
How many miles on it?
It's got 2,500. That's it. 2,500.
2,500 miles, like brand new. Just so you guys know, if you don't know this yet, Sandy is actually raffling this bike off. When is it over? When's the raffle over?
End of May.
End of May. So we got about another month and a half.
Right.
If you go to his website, www.holyshift.us, I'll leave it right on the bottom there, so you guys could go over to his website, enter to win this bike in a month and a half. It will be raffled off to the new winner. Okay.
You know what's beautiful about it, John?
What's beautiful about it?
It's not that only you can buy raffle tickets or entries. You actually buy any merchandise. You buy a sticker, a hat, a shirt.
Right.
Anything you buy
Gotcha.
has an entry value to it.
Nice.
So it's
nice.
Just buy yourself something cool.
Right. Buy yourself some merch, and you'll be automatically entered to win.
Yeah. Let me show. I did
this
the pipes.
Beautiful bike.
I did that. There's a chain conversion already on it.
Yeah, nice.
Eye risers.
Sounds good. Right.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah.
Comes with any other extra parts?
Listen, you gotta listen to this, dude. Okay.
Let's hear this.
Yeah. All parts that came with the bike.
That you're gonna give away.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have no need for it. So, ready?
Well,
let me roll it back in, okay?
it's loud,
let's go for a ride.
But it's a nice bike. We're gonna go for a ride. So if you're interested in winning that bike, head on over to www.holyshift.us.com and get yourself entered to win.
.us, no .com at the end.
Oh, .us. Did I say .com?
You said .us and .com.
Oh, I did?
It's cool.
All right. .us. www.holyshift.us. Look at this amazing bike.
That's beautiful.
How you liking it?
Loving it. It's
loving it, right?
Yeah, you know what? Believe it or not, I don't know. I have the same engine like the 107, but the 117, I don't know. It's smoother.
Well, it's bigger.
I don't know why.
Bigger displacement, more power.
But it's smoother. I don't know why. But
beautiful bike. Yeah. All right. So I didn't want to tell Mr. Holy Shift, and I'm definitely not going to tell you guys now. I want you guys to see his face. I have a huge surprise for him.
That's the
announcement. So now you could take a look at your phone.
Well, he just sent me an email.
I didn't. I texted him some info.
Okay.
All right, look at it, but do not tell anybody. I just want people to see your face.
Okay.
Read it, but don't tell nobody. I'm gonna let Sandy tell all you guys the good news.
Who shall it? Okay.
Don't mention no names. Don't mention nothing. This is all. I'm letting you do it.
Wow. Wow, that's nice. Wow. That's so cool.
Huh?
That's so cool, man.
It's huge. It's huge.
Oh my God. Well, let me see.
See?
Oh,
is that big or what?
Oh my God.
That's some huge news. I'm not going to tell you, but he will. He will tell you.
I know exactly. I saw the name. Thank you so much, Mr. M. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's going to be huge. Definitely stay tuned to Sandy's channel. If you're not subscribed yet, head on over to Holy Shift on YouTube. And definitely check out all his amazing content on the bike. And trust me when I tell you, it's gonna be some awesome content coming up.
Yeah.
Gonna be some awesome content coming up. All right, let's go for a ride, brother.
Okay.
Happy?
Yeah, I'm delighted, dude.
Awesome.
Fine, literally.
Yeah. He's choked up. All right, guys, I had to wipe his tears away. Tears of joy he had. We're gonna take a short ride, go get a cup of joe. Rain is coming in, more rain. You guys are probably sick and tired of me talking about rain up here in the Northeast. To tell you the truth, guys, you can look it up yourself. It rains more here in the Northeast than it does in Washington. As far as the amount of rain, it probably rains there more consistently, but it rains here in the Northeast more. We get more rain than Washington. When it comes down, and it's coming down again tonight, probably starting at 6 p.m. all evening, all night, probably into the morning, and then we got a nice stretch, probably 4 or 5 day stretch of nice weather. So we're gonna take this opportunity, a couple hours, short ride, show you guys the bikes, stop for some coffee, and then we'll show you guys all the upgrades again that it's done to that amazing little bike. Look at that thing. That thing's amazing. All right, guys. That was a fun little rip there, Mr. Holy Shift.
It was.
They're a lot of fun, and let me tell you something. That Streetbob will pull the front wheel right off the ground, lickety split. That's how much power that thing has. Jeez, no wonder why a lot of the younger generation use them puppies right there for stunt riding, wheelies, rolling burnouts. It's a light bike, stage 2. Oh my God, a lot of power. Definitely pull the front wheel off the ground, first, second, probably even third. A lot of torque. Super, super fun little bike. A lot of good things gonna be happening soon, huh? To this thing?
I'm excited.
Yeah,
really.
so am I. I'm excited for you.
It was a fun ride, man, just now. Short and fun.
Absolutely.
30 minutes of pack.
That's it.
Adrenaline.
All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Say goodbye, Mr. Holy Shift.
Bye, Mr. Holy Shift there.
Peace out.